So whether you're brand new to the Amazon Influencer Program or you've been in the program for a while, I get this question all the time. What is the quickest, easiest, most accurate way to find out if something in your home or something that is nearby, close to you, is actually sold on Amazon? Now, you can do it the hard way and kind of type in some keywords and try to find the exact right thing in Amazon, but with millions and millions of different product listings, it can be very difficult to figure out if the particular item that you want to create a video for is the exact same one that's sold on Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to figure out if those items around your home are sold on Amazon or not. The last thing we want to do is create a video and then not be able to find the exact right product to tag for Amazon's customers. If you find a product that's similar and you tag that product, not only is it inaccurate and against Amazon's terms, but you're gonna see a lot of people returning that item. So it's really not worth your while to tag a related product or something that's very similar without verifying for sure that it's the exact same product on Amazon. So here's the easiest way to do that. And you can do that with your phone. It is super simple. So I'm going to have you follow along with me on my phone as I scan a few things that I have in the background here, and I can show you just exactly how this works. So all you need is the regular Amazon customer app, right? If you shop on Amazon, if you're an influencer on Amazon, you probably already have this downloaded on your phone. That's all you need. You don't need anything special. You don't need any special software or to pay for anything new, nothing like that. So all you need to do is open this up, and then you're going to click over right here on this little camera looking button. And what we have going on here now, we can either search by a video, or we can click upload here, and that's going to bring you to your videos and your photos. And I'm just going to kind of skip over that for a second because it's not really relevant unless you're somewhere else and taking videos or photos and then want to go home and check. What I like to use is either the search function or the barcode function. Now with the barcode function, if you have a barcode available to you, this is the easiest, most accurate way to figure out if that particular item is for sale on Amazon. So all you have to do, look, it's saying this because I'm not actually using. So if you can't find a match, you just click try again. So here's what it's going to do. It's going to ask you to scan the barcode. Okay, I'm going to scan this with my phone, and then you can just see here. It's going to bring me to the exact thing, right? Because it's matching the barcode. And so as you can see, I've purchased this thing. I have it hanging in my condo here, but this tells me it's the exact same thing. The barcode thing, the barcode matching is the most accurate way to figure out if an item is for sale on Amazon or not. Now, we're gonna go back because you're probably saying, yeah, but the point of this is that I don't have the barcode and I don't have the packaging, so I don't know exactly if that item is for sale on Amazon. Here is the other amazing function that Amazon gives us where we can figure that out. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go back, here we go, click on our camera, we're gonna go back to the search feature. Okay, so you've got search open, and all you have to do is take a photo and search the product. So I'm going to take a photo of this clock that I have, take that photo, and now Amazon is going to find the exact thing that's for sale on Amazon that's right in front of me. If I click on here, it is this Tasse Vert white clock for shelf table. This is exactly what it is. You can see that I purchased it already, and just for the heck of it, let's see if my video is still on the product page here. There it is. Wonderful. This is always a nice kind of an easy way to check and see if your video is still on there if you really want to know. That's a whole nother video though, but this is the easiest way when you are searching around your house, or if you're visiting a relative, or if you're in another location and you're like, ooh, I really love that thing and I would love to use it and create a video for it. This is the easiest way to figure out, is your item for sale on Amazon that's right in front of your face. So again, you're going to open up the Amazon Shopper app. You are going to click on the camera function, and then all you have to do is simply hold it up to the item, take a picture, and Amazon is going to let us know, is this item for sale on Amazon? And there is the exact one that I purchased before. There it is. Now you can basically do this process, like I said, with anything. This is just the easiest, simplest, most straightforward way to decide, is this item in front of me for sale on Amazon, and should I be creating a shoppable video for it? If you don't know me already, my name is Kathleen Coble. I'm an Amazon seller, consultant, and influencer for the last 15 years, and this is what I love doing. I love teaching people how to make money on Amazon. I'm also a mom of 3 kids, so it's really important for me to be able to leverage my time very wisely because I don't have 12 hours a day to work, nor do I really want to be working 12 hours a day. But this, again, is the easiest way to figure out, hey, here's this thing in my home, I use it and I love it, but is it for sale on Amazon? And instead of going down the rabbit hole and doing all these keyword searches and trying to figure out, like, is this the exact right thing? Just do the exact process that I showed you using the Amazon customer app. Open up the camera feature and just take a picture under the search function. Amazon will show you the most relevant search results based on your picture, and then you can decide if that is the exact same item that's in front of you or not. And if it is, then I recommend creating a shoppable video for it because then you're creating another income stream for yourself. So if you found this video helpful, I would love if you would like it, subscribe to it, and if you're really serious about earning the big bucks with the Amazon Influencer Program, make sure you check out my completely free masterclass where I walk you through my 5-step system to earning $10,000 plus per month every single month with the Amazon Influencer Program. You can find that at kathleencoble.com/masterclass. So until next time, I'll see you then.